What's going on, Internet? This is Skinny at Coburg Nissan, and behind me I have a 2018. Oh yeah, a 2018 Nissan Altima SV, under 15,000 kilometers, black sunroof, heated seats, amazing find. Let's go have a look. What a crazy find, a 2018 Nissan Altima. I don't even have a 2018 year plate yet for my pre-owned vehicles. That's how crazy new this is. So the Altima features a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, absolutely fantastic on fuel. And the 18 has had a little bit of a refresh. Look at these wheels. Like, I normally don't jump into the wheels right away, but those are super nice looking. The SV model features a sunroof. It's got heated seats on the inside. You can see it's got beautiful black paint. You're also going to get, with an 18, you're going to get the remote starter. Let's get the car started. It is a little warm out today. Don't let the sun fool you. Now let's have a look in the trunk, because the Altima has an absolutely massive trunk, which I want to show you. There we go. Have a look. So it's got a much larger truck than people think it does. It also has full flat seats as well. So if you have some longer pockets, excuse me, longer cargo, you're good to go. Slide it through. Coming around the side, again, just in fantastic condition. Under 15,000 kilometers on this Altima. No accidents. Come around the front. Look at these headlights. Woo! Those are beauty. It's got the nice V-Motion grille. You've got that nice lower bumper piece there with the fog lights. This car just looks super sharp. Drives amazing as well. Now let's go have a look on the inside. If you've got taller passengers, bigger kids, got lots of room back there. Seats are in great shape. Have a look at the front. Let's hop in. All right, so let's give you a better look at these front seats. We got the power tilt and slide sunroof, nice upgraded cloth SV seats. They are power driver's seat as well. And then over here you've got your heated steering wheel, which is super nice in the wintertime. That steering wheel heats up nice and quick and gets the hands all, you don't need to wear gloves. All right, so let's have a look at the dash setup. So the steering wheel here, you've got your cruise control, your radio control, Bluetooth controls, all on the steering wheel, as you can see. And one of the features I want to show you here is this advanced driver display, which is this centerpiece here. This is going to give you all your real-time information on the vehicle, such as your fuel economy, your tire pressure monitor, radio station, etc. Everything is set up right there, nice and easy to see when you're driving. Now, one of the safety features that this Altima has, which is new for 2018, is it does have forward emergency braking and forward collision prediction. So what's going to happen is when you're driving the vehicle, you're driving along, and let's say you do one of these, you're looking down and you're fooling around with the radio station, and all of a sudden, boom, there's a car in front of you. Guess what? The Altima, using the front sonar, is going to predict that that car is approaching too quickly. It's going to warn you. If you don't react in time, it will grab the brakes for you to help avoid that front collision. So a really important safety feature. I absolutely love that. That it's going to become, standard on most vehicles, hopefully within the next 2 or 3 years. But this Altima has it right now. So that is a great safety feature to have. Another one that's amazing to have is the blind spot warning, which I'll show you here. So right here inside the car, you can see that yellow light activate, and that yellow light is going to tell you that there's someone in your blind spot, and it's located inside the car, not outside in the mirrors, which is a very good reason, because if it's outside in the mirrors, and let's say you have mud or snow or anything on those mirrors, you're not going to be able to see it. But inside the car, it is well protected. So a couple great safety features that are on this Altima, aside from all the other great stuff like traction control and stability control and all the great airbag systems. What I like is I like safety features before the accident happens to prevent the accident, which are features like the blind spot and the forward collision warning. So just my quick little safety run through for you. Now on the Altima as well, you have this amazing stereo system, XM satellite radio, Bluetooth streaming from your phone. It's got everything set up to go and enjoy Google Play, Spotify, all your streaming audio services. You have dual zone climate control that you can see here, driver and passenger independent temperatures. Coming down here, you have a USB auxiliary input and a 12 volt, so you can get everything charged, plugged up, and connected. Your automatic shifter, and then of course, heated driver and passenger front seats, got to have that. And then finally, they have labeled these tabs. For years I've worked in the automotive industry, I can never get it right. Upper opens up the top lid. Lower opens up this bottom lid. So thank you, Nissan, for finally labeling these, because I still get it wrong almost every time. But let's have another quick look at the interior. This Altima is in great shape, has no odors, non-smoker. Absolutely beautiful find with 14,095 kilometers. That's it. 14,095 kilometers. A fantastic find. Guys, my name is... take these off. Guys, my name is Skinny. I am the pre-owned manager for Cobourg Nissan. I absolutely love working here, and you will love buying here. This is a great find, a 18 Altima with advanced safety features, sunroof, heated seats. It is ready to go, and it's the right color for you. If you're shopping from home or maybe at work right now and you're out of town, not to worry, we have you covered. We have free shipping practically right across Ontario. There's pretty much no place we can't get this car to. So give us a call, send us an email, and we will tell you how I can get to this. We will tell you how I can get this vehicle to your door free of charge, no delivery cost at all. If you have a trade-in, no problem, we can take care of that as well. We have ways of appraising your vehicle without seeing it. So we are a full 21st century car sales experience. We're as close to Amazon as you can get. Just hit that buy now button and we will get this vehicle to your door. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you appreciate this small quick video on the 18 Altima, and if you like it, let's put it in your driveway. So get a hold of us right away and we'll help you out. Thanks a lot. Take care. What's up, internet? This is... it's got amazing features and it's damn near... warnings. You can also set up all the advanced driver... what the heck is it? Now, when we talk about safety... holy... I'm just butchering this.